Hi, I'm Naomi,
And I'm Claire.
and we're fourth year Japanese students. Today, we're going to be talking to you about Japanese language or Nihongo.
So where does Japanese come from? Here's some stuff about the history of the language or Nihongo no rekishi. Japanese's origin is unknown but likely influenced by continental Asia and nearby islands. Japanese is thought to have been brought to Japan by settlers from continental Asia and Pacific Islanders in the early to mid 2nd century BC. And since Japan traded with China so closely, they adopted many of their characters from China, but they pronounced them differently. Between 1185 and the 1600s, Portuguese words like pan were adopted, like pan, which means bread. And today, many English words are used in Japan, like camera, kamera, and internet, interneto.
There are 3 alphabets in the Japanese language, but there are only 5 vowel sounds. These vowel sounds are a, I, U, e, and o.
The first of the 3 alphabets is hiragana. Hiragana has 46 different characters, and you use hiragana for words from Japan. And it always has a consonant followed by a vowel sound, like ma or na or ko.
Katakana is the second alphabet in Japanese. Like hiragana, katakana has 46 characters, and both hiragana and katakana make the same sounds. Katakana characters are used for foreign words and sound effects. Gairaigo are words borrowed from other languages that are written in katakana.
And the final alphabet is kanji. Kanji are used to represent words, and they have multiple meanings. Kanji was adopted from the Chinese language, but was adapted to fit the Japanese alphabet. There are over 10,000 total kanji, but only 2,000 to 3,000 are commonly used.
In Japanese, kanji have 2 different readings. The onyomi is the reading related to the Chinese reading, and kunyomi is the Japanese reading. When kanji are by themselves, the kunyomi reading is used, but when the kanji are used in a word, the onyomi reading is used. For this example, we have the kanji for person, which is pronounced hito, which is the kunyomi, so if this kanji was by itself, it would be read hito, but if it was in a word with another kanji, it could be read as jin or nin.
Next are the building blocks of Japanese, also called the radicals or the bushu. All kanji are made up of a single radical or 2 or more, and there are 7 different categories: hen, tsukuri, kanmuri, ashi, tare, myo, and kamae. The different categories relate to different parts of the kanji, and there are several different radicals within each of the categories. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that there are 214 radicals and that it is likely that even a native Japanese speaker cannot recognize and name them all?
The kanji on the left of the slide is pronounced ocha, which means tea, and the kanji on the right is pronounced hana and means flowers. The radical circled in both of these pictures means grass. Can you see how tea and flowers are related to plants and grass?
Well, we hope that you learned something interesting about the Japanese language today and might pursue in learning it in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Arigatou gozaimashita!